To steam mahi, cut the fish into 2 by 2 inch, 5 by 5 centimeter squares and refrigerate them for at least 30 minutes. Once they're chilled, place each square on top of a pair of crossed banana or tie leaf strips. Each strip should be about 12 inches, 30 centimeters long by 3 inches, 8 centimeters wide. Fold the leaves up around each square of the fish and tuck in the ends to create a square packet. Place the packets inside a steamer in a single layer and cook the fish for 6 to 10 minutes or until it's opaque in the center. You can also cook mahi directly on an oiled grill for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Or you can bake it in the oven on a foil-lined baking sheet for 25 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 218 degrees Celsius. However you cook it, experiment with different seasonings to bring out the natural flavor of the fish. For example, try a rub or sauce made with cumin, garlic powder, paprika, oregano, ginger, and salt and pepper. You can also serve up mahi with fresh salsa, or drizzle it with lemon or lime juice.